Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Are you looking to start a rewarding side hustle or even a full career as a Notion consultant without any prior experience? Then you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to launch yourself as a Notion consultant with zero background, but you'll also see how to streamline the process using a free, professionally designed template inside Notion. Let's dive right in. To kick things off, we're going to be using Notion's free consultant template. This is an excellent shortcut for beginners, and even seasoned consultants use templates to save time and present their services professionally. Think of it like having a foundation for a house already built for you. You just have to decorate the rooms and make it your own. The template gives you a polished, business-ready look from minute one, which is especially valuable when you're starting out and want to impress potential clients. All right, to get started, open up Notion and head over to the top left corner of your screen. You'll want to find the drop-down menu, which gives you access to more options. It might take a second to spot if you're new to Notion, but look for a little arrow or 3 dots up by your workspace name. Don't worry if you click the wrong thing. You can always go back. Once you're in that menu, select Browse Templates. This is your gateway to all sorts of pre-made setups created by Notion and its enthusiastic community. Just pause here and imagine how much time you're saving, tapping into professionally designed templates instead of building everything from scratch. Now, in the search bar, type in Consultant Database. You might see a range of templates pop up. Browse through a few to see which style best matches your vision. Maybe you want something clean and minimal, or perhaps you prefer a template that's packed with features for tracking meetings and projects. Take your time. It's totally normal to check out a few before settling on the one that feels right for you. Remember, you're not locked into your first choice. You can always try another if you want a different vibe later on. Once you find the template that excites you, go ahead and click Add. This step copies the template into your own workspace, so it's ready for you to tweak and personalize. Give yourself a pat on the back. You've just skipped hours of formatting work. Here comes the fun part. Start adding your own credentials and creative touches to the template. Fill in your name, contact details, a brief bio, and showcase any relevant achievements or skills, even if your Notion journey is just beginning. Don't be shy here. Thoughtful personalization is what makes clients remember you. You can also upload a profile photo or use creative icons to make it uniquely yours. If you don't have previous consulting experience, talk about your passion for organization or how you've helped friends or family set up their digital workspaces. Authenticity goes a long way, especially when you're starting out. Feel free to rearrange sections, update colors, or tweak the layout so it feels comfortable and professional. Notion is super flexible, so experiment with what looks best. Just like renovating a home, a bit of trial and error here is normal and part of the adventure. That's the core process. In just a few steps, you've set up a consultant dashboard that's not only professional but ready to attract and organize real clients. Remember, tools like templates are there to help you get started quickly, and you can always refine and improve as you grow. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you've got any questions or want to share your journey as a Notion consultant, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more step-by-step tutorials to level up your digital toolkit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.